Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 2 of our 30 Days of Yoga series for 2021. And today is Sun Salutation Saturday. So we are just going to keep it simple, and we're going to go through some half sun salutations, a couple of Sun Salutation A's, and a couple of Sun Salutation B's. And then we're going to do a hands-free Sun Salutation. So all you'll need today is your mat, and you can also grab a blanket, and that'll be for cushion for your knees. So grab those things and we'll go ahead and get started. So we're going to start at the top of the mat, but before that, I'm just going to take my blanket and place it about in the middle of the mat. And that's just for your knees when we get down to the mat. So we'll start at the top of the mat in mountain pose. Grounding the feet down. Lift the shoulders up and back, starting in Tadasana. Let's start with 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. Let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. And then inhale as you reach the arms out and up. On the exhale, start to bend at the hips and then start to bring the arms out to the side. And then exhale, bringing the hands all the way down to the mat. Forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. So lengthen the spine. You may bring the hands beside the shins. Upper body can be parallel to the floor. Exhale, forward fold, hands back down to the mat. Bend the knees. Inhale as you reach the arms out and up as you stand all the way up. Exhale, arms down by your side. It's our half sun salutation. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, coming down to your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bend your knees, bring your arms out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Last round, inhale, arms out and up. Exhale as you come down to your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms come out and up. Palms together, exhale, hands down in front of your heart. This time going into our full sun salutation A. So standing back in our mountain pose. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale as you come down to your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Stepping the right foot back. There's a bend in the left knee. Plant the hands. Step the left foot back. You can stay here for your plank, or you can choose to lower the knees. Hold for a breath. And then lower the knees, and we're just going to lower down to the mat, bringing the chest down. Tops of the feet are down on the mat. On the inhale, roll the shoulders back and lift the chest, coming into a cobra. Exhale as you come back down to the mat. Tuck your toes under. And then we're going to press up back to plank and back to downward facing dog. Take a full breath here. Heels are reaching down towards the mat. And then just start to walk the feet forward as you come to your forward fold. Take your time. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, all the way back down, forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Fingertips down, this time stepping the left foot back. Plant the hands, step the right foot back. You can stay here in your plank, or you can lower to the knees. Hold for a breath. And then lower down to the mat. Tops of the feet are down, chest is down. And then as you inhale, lift the shoulders up and back as you lift the chest. Exhale down. Tuck the toes under. We're pressing back to downward facing dog. Full breath. And then start to walk the feet forward. And then back to our forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold, lengthening the spine. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bend the knees, bring the arms out and up. As you stand, exhale, arms down by your side. Moving into Sun Salutation B. So starting back in your mountain pose. Inhale, arms up. Exhale as you sit into your chair pose. So imagine you have an imaginary seat behind you, trying to sit down on, bending the knees, sending the hips back, arms are up. Inhale. Exhale as you come down to your forward fold, bringing the arms down. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Pressing the right foot back, and then the left. You can stay here for your plank. Hold for a breath. And the knees come down, chest comes down, tops of the feet are down. Inhale, lifting the chest, coming to your cobra, your back bend. Exhale down. Tuck the toes, we're pressing back to downward facing dog. Hold for a breath. Keep the left foot down, lift the right leg, inhale. As you exhale, bring the right knee in, shift forward like you're coming to a plank, and then step the right foot forward. And you may bring that right foot to the back of the right wrist. Plant it down, and then plant the back foot down. Keep the front knee bent. Reach the arms up. Warrior one. Torso is facing forward. Relax your shoulders. You can choose how deep your warrior one is here. You can bend the knee deep, or you can have a slight bend. Inhale here. Exhale, bring the hands down side of the foot. Step the right foot back. Come into our plank. Knees come down. Chest comes down. Tops of the feet are down. Inhale, up to your cobra. Exhale down. Tuck the toes under. Pressing up through plank. Back to downward facing dog. Full breath. This time, right foot stays down. Inhale as you lift the left leg. Exhale as you bring that knee in, shift forward, and step the left foot forward. Plant it down, and then plant the back foot down. Keep it bent in the front knee. Reach the arms up. Relax the shoulders. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bringing the hands down to the inside of the foot. This time I'm just going to step that right foot forward into a forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees. Inhale, arms come out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. For the last 2 rounds, we're going to do a sun salutation without using the hands or using the hands a lot. So starting back in our mountain pose. Inhale, reaching the arms out and up. Exhale, coming down to your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Take an inhale here. On the exhale, come up into chair pose. You can bring your hands to your heart here. Shift your weight to your left foot. Lift the right heel, lift the right foot, step it back. And then you're going to slowly plant the right knee down. Top of the right foot is down on the mat. Reach the arms up. Inhale. On the exhale, sink the hips forward and reach the arms back, coming into your back bend. Inhale, standing back up on the right knee, bring the hands to the heart. Tuck the toes, the right toes under. Lift the right knee. And then we'll step forward back into our chair pose. Inhale as you stand. Exhale, arms down by your side. Last round, inhale, arms come up. Exhale, arms come out and down as you come into your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale here. Exhale, coming up into chair pose, bending the knees, bringing the hands to your heart. Shift the weight to your right foot, lift the left heel, and then lift the foot and step it back. And then we're going to lower the left knee down to the mat. Top of the left foot is down now. Reaching the arms up. Inhale. On the exhale, sink the hips forward. Reach the arms back. Coming into our back bend. Inhale as we stand up. Bring the hands to your heart. Tuck the toes under. Exhale as you lift the left knee. Inhale here. Exhale as we step forward to our chair pose. Inhale as you stand all the way up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Thank you all for joining me today for Sun Salutation Saturday, for our Sun Salutation flow. And I will see you all tomorrow for day number 3 of our 30-day series.